Well, today we're working on a Silent Master. It's a central vacuum system. It's a S2 model. And what we've done here is we've replaced the transformer and a relay. So here it is. And we're about to test it, make sure everything works. So we're gonna plug it in. So everything is being tested. So let me go ahead and plug this in. So this motor is it's not working right now because we have to replace the carbons motor brushes in there, so that will not, it's not going to work. So we still got to replace the carbons, but just to test it, I just want to make sure this turns on. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it. Good. So we'll put it together, put new carbons in, and this unit will be ready.